Let's fill out the Virginia Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you've got a dirt bike to sell, and you want to make sure the paperwork is done right. Let's walk through what this state requires for your bill of sale. First, you'll need the certificate of title. That's the official document that transfers ownership from the seller to the buyer. On the front of that title, look for Section A. That's where the signature goes. Either the seller or the purchaser needs to sign right there. If there's a lien holder on the title, meaning someone like a bank or lender has a claim on the bike, you'll need to take care of Section F, which is the lien information section. That release needs to be completed before the transfer can move forward. Now, for identifying the vehicle, you'll need a vehicle price certification, and it must include the VIN, the make, and the year of the dirt bike. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.